This is a brand new 2013 GMC Yukon. This SUV has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and 4-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: heated seats, Bluetooth cell phone integration, cruise control, leather seats, traction control, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, air conditioning with automatic climate control, full power accessories, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Thank you for considering Thompson Sales for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. We have been serving the Springfield area since 1919. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located at 1555 East Independence Street, just off the James River Freeway. We look forward to serving you.